In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share access on SmartThings. If you want someone else to help manage your smart home or simply give them access to control devices in your SmartThings setup, the process is pretty straightforward. Before you begin, make sure that both you and the person you're inviting have Samsung accounts, because the invitation won't work without that. Also, keep in mind that the person must accept the invitation before they can access your SmartThings location. To get started, open the SmartThings app on your Android phone or iPhone. Once the app is open, sign into your Samsung account if you haven't already. This is important because access sharing is connected to the location tied to your account. Next, open the location you want to share. To do that, tap the Menu tab, then select the location you want to give access to, such as your home. If you manage more than one location, make sure you choose the correct one before moving forward. After that, go to the Member Sharing section by tapping Member Invitations. SmartThings will then give you a few ways to invite someone. Depending on what works best for you, you can invite them using a QR code, by email, or by sharing a link. This flexibility makes it easier to choose the method that's most convenient for both people. If you decide to invite by email, enter the email address associated with the other person's Samsung account. Then review the permissions you want them to have. This step matters because the permissions you grant determine what they'll be able to do inside SmartThings. For example, shared members may be able to control devices, run scenes and routines, view device status, and manage certain SmartThings settings. Once everything looks correct, tap Send Invitation. Now the invited person needs to accept it. They'll receive either an email or a notification, depending on the invitation method. They must sign in with their Samsung account and accept the invitation before access is activated. Until they do that, they won't be able to interact with your SmartThings location. If you ever need to review or change someone's access later, go back to Menu and then Members. Select the member you want to manage, and from there you can view or modify their access level. You can also remove members at any time if you no longer want them to have access. One final thing to remember is that some advanced administrative actions may still be limited to the location owner, even if a member has broad permissions. And that's how to share access on SmartThings.